In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a settings icon in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean gear icon in your design, sized and colored exactly the way you want. Start by logging into your Figma account and opening the project where you want the icon to live. Once your file is open, take a moment to note the layout. Your canvas in the middle, layers on the left, and the properties panel on the right. We'll use that right-hand panel a lot to fine-tune things. Next, open Figma's resources. The quickest way is with the keyboard shortcut Shift+I. This brings up a searchable window where you can pull in components and assets. In the search bar, type settings or gear, then give it a second to load the results. Browse through the options and look for an icon that matches your style. Thin stroke, bold stroke, filled, or outlined. When you found the one you like, click it, then click Insert in the bottom right of the pop-up. The icon will appear on your canvas, ready to place. Drag the icon to the exact spot you want. Use the corner resize handles to scale it up or down. Because most icons in Figma are vector-based, they'll stay crisp at any size. If you need precise dimensions, you can also type values directly into the width and height fields in the Properties panel. Keep an eye on alignment hints and smart guides to snap the icon neatly in place. With the icon selected, let's adjust its appearance using the Properties panel. You'll see a section called Selection Colors. This area shows the strokes and fills used by whatever you have selected. To change the outline color, click the color swatch there. A small panel will appear. If you're seeing a Libraries tab, switch to the Custom tab to open the full color picker. Choose a new color by dragging the hue slider or entering a hex value, and you'll see your icon update instantly on the canvas. If the icon has multiple strokes or fills, Selection Colors will list each one. Click into each swatch to adjust them individually for a consistent look. That's all there is to it. You opened your project, brought in a settings icon through resources, positioned and resized it, and then customized the outline color in the Selection Colors section. Remember, you can always revisit the Properties panel to tweak size, rotation, and color as your design evolves. Save your file, and you're ready to reuse this icon anywhere in your project for a polished, consistent interface.